I think the centralization of existing platforms is very natural because it's easy to find everybody else there. The problem is a billionaire can buy it and do what they want with it. There is such a difference in understanding of personal privacy and data protection between the US and Europe and other parts of the world. It blows my mind because they have such a culture of, no, everything's for sale. As soon as I sign up for something, it's gone into this data broker and it could be sold to anyone. We have a very different system and belief system in Europe. So that gives me a lot of hope for the way that we do business and care about people and society. So I'm really hopeful that Europe can be a beacon for technology for people, technology for good, and technology for society as a whole, and not for one or two individuals who want to get rich. Join the Fedivers, be on Mastodon, use open networks because you can't be captured and controlled by billionaires. They can't ruin your experience. You are in charge of your experience. You choose who your network is. If you don't like the server you're on, or that server shuts down, you can move somewhere else. You can take your network with you. You can continue the conversations you are having. It's your choice. You can choose who you follow, who you block. Nobody is pushing content into your feed to persuade you for advertising reasons, for political reasons, for any other reasons. You choose who you follow. You can mute and block people just as you can in other places, but there is no single human that will stop you from doing that because they say, no, I am the richest man in the world and you must see what I post on the internet. That's not a thing. We have freedom. We are our own people. We have our own sovereignty, personal sovereignty, and that's important.